Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. And yes, sis has the fro out today. And I'm doing Crochet Passion Twist, and I'm starting off with freshly washed and stretched hair. And I'm going to create my foundation for this style. So I like to do the individual illusion braid pattern, which I'm going to share with you from start to finish on how I achieve this. But I'm not going to do a lot of talking through it because I do have more in-depth talking videos on how to do this, and I will link those in the cards above and down in the description box below. And I chose to do the rubber band method of this because it's faster, so that's what we're doing today. I get questions all the time like, why do you do this? It's to give that illusion that you do have individual twists. To each his own. Some people feel like that doesn't matter to them, which is fine, but I prefer to do this because I like to style my twists. So when you turn your hair a certain way, people are like, do she have individuals or are they crochet? And it's not going to take away the knots, it's just illusion. It's going to mimic like individual, but they're truly not.
Can't put my finger on it. This ain't the first time we've met. Wait. Hold up, wait a moment. Like the sun we reset.
I keep having deja vu. Visions replaying when I'm with you.
Come on.
Seems like I had already did this before. My mental I can't ignore. Grab my hand, let's go explore.
Come on. Can't put my finger on it. This ain't the first time we've met. Hold up, wait a moment. Like the sun we reset. Flash, highlights. Baby matching my vibe. No, we got them soul ties. This ain't the only life. I made you my wife. Now dance with me for eternity, where the world can see it. Before we forget, before we reset, didn't we just second my guess? Now I'm back to where I started, trying to catch a glimpse of you in this crowded room. Looking like someone I know, in the middle of the dance floor. Doing the moves only you and I know. Wine slow, rock and roll, stop and pause. Capture this moment before it goes. This attraction, yeah, I'm feeling that. How she back it back, yeah, I know she feeling that. Hands up where the ceiling at. Tell the DJ play it back. We gon' play it back.
I keep having deja vu.
Come on.
Visions replaying when I'm with you. Seems like I had already did this before. My mental I can't ignore. Grab my hand, let's go explore. Get on the dance floor, grab me, boy. Put me in close to hear my voice. We may forget, so let's enjoy. Ooh, I wanna do this forever and ever. Do it seem familiar. I wanna remember the same way I remembered you on the 28th of November. This strange uncanny sensation, this moment's my inspiration. It may come with it.
So now that I got my braid pattern complete, let's move on to the star of this show, baby. And these are the Tiana Passion Twist from Toyotress. I received 8 packs with my order, and these twists are 12 inches long and in the color OT30/27. So they have like this beautiful ombre effect with the shades of 1B and the color 30, which is like that dark brownish red, and then it goes into the 27 that's really bright and blonde. This color is gorgeous, guys, and it will pop on every shade of brown tone skin. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have Toyotress information linked. That way you can receive these in 2 days from Amazon Prime. This style took an hour to complete and I used a total of 7 packs. Now when I'm crocheting the top, I like to go through the boxes itself, and because I'm using rubber bands, I like to make sure I go back and fill in any gaps where the rubber band is showing. But if you notice, when I crochet my edges, I'm actually going to take my latch hook and place it in on a diagonal, making sure I'm very close to where that rubber band sits, because when I get ready to create that knot, I want the knot to sit right where that rubber band is. So when I flip my hair up in a ponytail, it looks like the twists are coming out its own individual box.
Having deja vu.
Come on, come on, come on.
Visions replaying when I'm with you. Seems like I had already did this before. My mentor I can't ignore. Grab my hand, let's go explore.
Can't put my finger on it. This ain't the first time we've met. Hold up, wait a moment. Like the sun we reset. Can't put my finger on it. This ain't the first time we've met. Hold up, wait a moment. Like the sun we reset.
I keep having visions replaying when I'm with.
Come on, come on.
I keep having deja vu.
Come on, come on, come on.
Visions replaying when I'm with you. Seems like I had already did this before. My mentor I can't ignore. Grab my hand, let's go explore.
Can't put my finger on it.
And this is the completed look, guys. I am in love with these twists. They're always so juicy and bouncy, and the color is gorgeous. Make sure you like this video and also comment down below. Let me know how you feel in this color. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Visions replaying